Students, in my last video, we have seen practice set 3 question. In that, first three examples I had been solved for you. So that was the angle. First angle was 50 degree. So we had drawn the 50 degree angle and bisect it. Then second question was 115 degree. So 115 degree angle, we have drawn 115 degree and we had bisected. Okay, and then third angle was 80 degree, that was acute angle. So we had drawn acute angle of 80 degree and bisected it. Now last question is of 90 degree. Fourth number 90 degree. So now let's see how to bisect. Now 90 degree means right angle. 90 degree means which type of angle is it? 90 degree. So let's draw a 90 degree angle. First ray with the help of protractor. 90 degree angle we will draw. Here 90 degree means exactly here straight line will come. So join this. Then you have to bisect this angle now. Let's give some name to this angle as L, M and N. Okay, and then bisect it. To bisect, now you know very well the steps. Keep compass point on vertex or on point M. Take appropriate distance and draw one arc which will intersect ray ML as well as ray ML. Okay, like this arc we have to draw, and then the point of intersection you have to give the names to that where it intersects. So let me give the name here A and here V. Then keep compass point on point B. Take appropriate distance more than half in between this arc or in between this point B to A. Take more than half distance. Draw one arc inside an angle. With the same distance from point A, draw another arc which will intersect the first arc. Okay, and give some name to that point of intersection. Let us consider this point as a C. And now draw one ray MC. Draw one ray MC. So this angle 90 degree we have bisected. Okay, so here LMC and NMC, these two angles are formed which will be 45 degree each, because 90 degree if we bisect means it has two equal parts, so each angle will be of 45 degree. Okay students, so this is all about practice set 3. Now I had told you the construction number 2 also. Okay, I had told you the construction 2. What was that? So we had learned one more construction. So let me remind you. To construct an angle equal in measure. To construct an angle to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle. Okay, and we have to use for this compass and ruler. So this was our second construction which I had told you, which I explained you, okay. But still again I will explain you for your practice. So you have to do the practice of this also. So for this, one angle will be given to you. Let's see. Suppose, see student, now suppose one angle will be given to you. Let's see let's draw one acute angle. Suppose, okay, I will measure it and now I will draw. Suppose draw an angle of, one angle will be there of 60 degrees, suppose. So this is an angle. Okay, now this angle will be given to you in exam. Suppose this angle is given to you, angle ABC. Now you have to construct one more angle which will be the equal in measure to a given angle. This is given angle. This angle is given to us. Okay, and you have to construct same angle like this. You have to construct one more angle which will be the having same measure. So for that I have told you again, first step, draw one ray. Draw one ray. Okay. Take compass in your hand. Keep the compass point on point B. Which angle is given to you already. Keep the compass point on point B or on vertex of an angle. Take appropriate distance and draw one arc. Draw one arc which will intersect to ray BA and ray BC at point L and M. This point names you can take any. Then with the same distance, see students, this is very important, again and again I am repeating. So whatever distance you have taken to draw this arc, with the same distance, don't change distance, with the same distance draw one more arc here. Now here only one ray we have drawn first, and there, so that this arc will intersect only on this arc, and here nothing is there, but still you have to increase this arc. Okay, like this one arc will be there in your first step. Then again keep compass point on point M and take distance of LM, means or ML. See here student, at point M, from point M till point L, I have taken this distance in compass. You have to, suppose your compass is like this, so you have to open it slowly and you have to keep the pencil here on point L. Okay, see this distance. Which distance I have taken? This ML. Which ML. And with the same distance, keep compass point here, where this arc has intersected to this ray. Okay, we have to give the name to that point and draw one arc which will intersect to the first arc. See, which will intersect to the first arc. Here, let me give some name to this. Suppose point C. Okay, then here suppose this is the arc AV. Okay, and then after that you have to draw one ray. Now this is one point of intersection. Okay, here let's give the name, suppose D. Then you have to draw one more ray which will go from point A and D, means AD. You have to join this AD. Okay, this is your angle. This is a new angle. We construct new angle which has the measure equal to a given arc, to the given angle. Okay, one angle will be given to you ABC, and then we have drawn one more angle. Let's give some different names, students. Here Okay, ABC was already given, so I will give the name X, Y and Z. Okay students, give some different name whichever is here, here and here. X, Y, Z. Okay, so this is about the construction, how to construct an angle equal in measure to a given angle. So please students, this is very simple, simplest thing to draw these constructions. This is not easy, this is not the hard work for you. So you have to try at home in your notebook. So what you have to do? Okay, so you can take any acute angle. You draw first any acute angle, and with this, like this same measure, you have to draw another angle, but with the help of compass and ruler. With the help of compass and ruler. Thank you.